everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you pork rice pulao. It's very tasty and very delicious. Without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to use 1 pound pork cut into nice small pieces, 1 onion. I'm going to use 1 cup basmati rice, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt, cumin seed, black pepper, and dry cilantro. Each one of them 1 teaspoon. Basmati rice I washed with cold water and drained the water, and we're going to use 2 cup water. Get a fry pan and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'm going to bring the cumin seed. We're just going to give like a 10 seconds. And now we're going to bring the onion. And we're going to cook our onion really well. I'm going to use my splatter screen so it won't spray out. And we're going to cook it really well. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. They are nicely translucent. Now I'm going to bring salt, pepper, mix it well. I'll bring pork, mix it well, and we're going to cook our pork really well. Cooking our pork on high gas for 2 minutes. As it started to change the color, I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes with the cover lid, I'm going to start the fan. And I'll open it, mix it, and now I'm going to bring my gas on high, and we're going to cook it for a couple more minutes. Keep stirring so it won't get burned. Cooking on high gas for 2 minutes, so our meat is nicely cooked, and now I'm going to bring rice. Mix it well. Cooking for half a minute. Our tadka meat is nicely mixed with our basmati rice. Now I'm going to bring 2 cup water. And I'll bring dry cilantro, which is dhania. We're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, we're going to cover with the lid. And on a high gas, we're going to cook it exactly 5 minutes. Cooking on a high gas for exactly 5 minutes. And now we're not going to open the lid. We're going to bring our gas to low, which is simmer. And now we're going to let the rice simmer for 10 minutes. We don't want to move the lid. All the steam's gonna stay inside, and it's going to cook our rice to our perfection. It's exactly 10 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to open it. And this is really important. As you see, a lot of moisture is trapped on the lid. So pick up your lid and just take it away. Don't put the water inside of a rice flour. So I'm going to start the fan. Let's go straight. Look at our rice flour. They're looking so good. As you can see, wow, all the rice flour, each grain is separate. Our rice flour, nicely done. And I'm going to get my serving platter, and we're going to dish out. Look at the grains of basmati rice. Nice. Our pork rice pulao is all ready. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and comment below how you like it. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking.